What's up everyone? In this video I'll share with you some tips and tricks to help you score high in Block Blast. Now, first of all, you need to think of a strategy, always planning your next move and avoid playing randomly as I am doing right now, for example. You should have a clear strategy and planning your steps ahead. Now, you might be wondering how you can have a strategy in such a random game where blocks appear randomly. Well, to some extent, of course, it is random. However, you can go ahead and examine the blocks that are available for you, plan your next move, and anticipate where new blocks will fit and aim to maximize your potential combos. Now, next, try in every move to clear a row or fill a row or a column. Now, this will help you increase your score as well as creating breathing room on the board or creating like empty spaces on the board, reducing the chance of getting stuck and helps you plan your next move. Now, finally, stay calm. Don't panic if you get like pieces that don't fit. Just think of a strategy and have a calm approach, which is good as it often reveals the best moves that you can take to avoid getting stuck. So as you can see here, I have some moves that are available, and instead of like playing randomly and adding the pieces or blocks randomly, I have decided to stay calm and plan my next move before I execute it to maximize my score. Now here you can do combos. As you go ahead and add the blocks, you can do combos to maximize your score by clearing more than one row or column at a time.